Tecnologia!
Hey guys, so today I found a really unique phone. So the brand is called Winstar, and so I just thought let's disassemble this phone and check out what's inside.
楽しかった修学旅行を経て何か前よりもぐっと距離が近づきおや修学旅行の疲れ取れた鈴木さんはということは別になく
And guys, don't mind the anime I'm watching in the background. It's called You and I Are Polar Opposites. So I'm really close to finishing it, and yeah, I can't help but keep watching. But I also wanted to make this video, so yeah, that's it. Anyway, so the unique thing about this phone is you see that it has 4 cameras, right? And it's very oddly placed, and it just seems highly unlikely. So as I was going through it, it had this plate behind it, and it says made in Bangladesh. So yeah, and the phone is quite heavy as well. So let's take a look on what's inside. So this is something you don't see every day. The battery is actually a removable battery, which means we can just swap this battery out and use another one. And the plate that was above was just a piece of foil. And I'm trying to remove the outer casing, but it's a bit difficult. Oh, I don't know how it's attached, so it's gonna take a while for me to remove this. Let's check out. Shit, I think, and it had this weird gum peeling off the screen, which is, I don't know what it is, but yeah, I think it's from the screen guard. And yeah, I'm trying to pop off the cover, but it's very difficult because there's no normal way to it, and hope I don't break this. So I finally found a way. You just need to pop it off through the screen area, and I think I broke it. Well, it's just a case, so it doesn't matter. Uh, it's quite interesting, the fact that the motherboard is just the top half and rest of the phone has this aluminium layer, I believe, like a very thick aluminium layer, just to prove that the phone is heavy, which is quite crazy when you think about it. Because I told you the phone is really heavy, right? So I guess people just judge by the weight of the phone, saying, okay, if the phone is heavy, it's a good phone. This is another way to get misled, and it's quite interesting that there's only one camera and it's a very, very tiny camera. So it's quite interesting how this electronics they have made it. So I'll be putting it back together, and anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed and shocked, just like how I am, on how this phone was made and the things they do to actually mislead people, which is quite interesting. Anyway, catch you guys on the next video. Have a great day.